Hello everyone. For anyone building with AI today, there's a fundamental challenge. How do you connect your powerful agents to the private internal data and APIs that actually run your business? How do you bridge that gap securely and quickly? Today, we are giving you that bridge. I'm thrilled to announce a brand new add-on service in DronaHQ called as MCP Builder. The best part, it works by leveraging the foundation you have already built. The very same APIs and databases that are powering your internal apps can now, with just a few tweaks, be used to instantly launch your secure and scalable MCP servers. This means you can hand these servers as ready-made tools to AI frameworks like LangGraph, Creo AI, etc., giving your agents superpowers they need to perform real work. They can now create support tickets, check inventory, or query customer data, all through a secure managed endpoint. This architecture is the future of our platform. Every MCP you build becomes a fundamental block for our upcoming agentic platform, ensuring your work today accelerates your AI journey with us tomorrow. So, what does this really mean for you? No more backend DevOps, no more separate deployment pipelines for your AI tools. It means a secure, scalable server launched in the time it takes to watch this video. Now let's take a quick look at how we do this. So let's create one MCP server very quickly. What we're going to do is we're going to use one of the existing queries or database or API which is there. I'm just, for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to pick one DHQ coupon system which is already there that you can see on my screen, and we are going to turn that into an MCP server. We're going to put this into an agent and we're going to test this out. So next step, right? So I'm going to pick up this particular thing, show all distributors. This is a query which I already have. My next step is just going to take a look at this one. Looks like it is going to give me smaller result set, but I'm just going to put a limit over here, limit 15. Okay, and we're just going to add a description, credit, credits, and we're just going to test this out one more time and save this, right? So we are sorted over here. Now this thing is all set, right? Just for the making sure, is there any advanced parameters that we're using inside this? There are none of the parameters. Generally, if there are any parameters, like say in this case, right, there might be a few parameters that we have to go in and we will add a little bit of more details for each and every variable. For now, what we're going to do is we're just going to go into the MCP section over here. So what we're going to do is, you see a small little icon. Right now it's just open in a select few channels, right? For all the ones who are okay to do a beta with us, you should see this, right? I'm just going to now go ahead and come here and add a new MCP server. Say get credit distributors, right? This MCP tool will help an LLM to figure all distributors capability to distribute DronaHQ credits to their investee, to their portfolio companies. Okay, we'll just select which one we are looking for, and the one that is we are going to use is show all distributors. So mark this, and that's it. We're set over here. We're just going to save this, and now let's use this, right? So I'm just going to save this here. I'm going to head back to MCP Jam over here. We're just going to add new MCP server, credit distributors. We're just going to change this to HTTP. I'm going to add this, and then we're going to add a bearer token over here, right? So the moment I add the bearer token here, I just connect the server, and in a moment or two this should get connected if all goes well, which it should. And here we go. I'm not going to save this. Now let's just go to the MCP playground. By the way, this is an agentic tool that I'm just using for testing this. So give me total number of my HQs, credit, distributors. Let's just ask a very simple question to this. Let's see what it does. If it does the job right, yes, it did call this particular thing, and it has figured out there are 9 distributors as of now, right? So this is a test system, but as you can see, it has picked up the thing and it has done the needful. If when was the last distributor added? Let's check one more thing. And let's say if it has the information, okay, here we go. A beta VC was the last distributor that we added. So here we go. So if this makes any sense, you can join our beta program and you can start testing this out too, and you can actually use this for production grade things. We're soon announcing our pricing plans for this, but in in all honesty, this is just going to be free access for a while till we actually announce a paid plan.